This is Democracy Now!, democracynow.org, The War and Peace Report. I'm Amy Goodman with Nermeen Sheikh.
Rescue workers in Washington, D.C. have launched a massive search operation in the Potomac River after an American Airlines flight and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter collided mid-air late Wednesday, with both aircraft crashing into the water. Officials say there are likely no survivors. At least 30 bodies have been pulled from the river. American Airlines Flight 5342 had 60 passengers and 4 crew members on board and was en route to the D.C. area Reagan National Airport from Wichita, Kansas. The Black Hawk helicopter had 3 soldiers on board conducting a training flight. The National Transportation Safety Board will investigate with the Federal Aviation Administration.
The crash comes just days after the head of the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration, Mike Whitaker, stepped down. FAA administrators usually serve 5-year terms. Trump has not named a replacement. Whitaker announced his planned departure in December after SpaceX CEO, Trump donor, richest man in the world, Elon Musk, repeatedly attacked him on social media, tweeting he needs to resign. Line before D.C. airport collision, lawmakers brushed off warnings and boosted flights.
If you haven't seen the movie Leave the World Behind, I highly recommend that you watch that movie. In fact, it's not even a movie. It's a documentary, just like the movie The Matrix. In the movie Leave the World Behind, planes were crashing, remember? Signals went out of service. People couldn't call their loved ones. Chaos erupted in the cities. Tesla cars were piling up on the roadsides, crashing into each other. We are experiencing these effects now. There are no coincidences. There are only causes and effects. Enough has been said already. People want to move on with their lives. People are afraid of flying right now. Do you understand what that really means? And when people are afraid, they are panicking and agitated. Ignore the signs. The signs are everywhere, and they are causing rippling effects.